After a detailed assessment of the evolving macroeconomic and financial developments and the outlook, of course, the Monetary Policy Committee decided unanimously to keep the policy repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Consequently, the standing deposit facility rate remains at 6.25% and the marginal standing facility, that is MSF rate, and the bank rate at 6.75% to the outlook. Now, taking all these factors into consideration, real GDP growth for the current year, that is 2023-24, is projected at 7%. I repeat, real GDP growth is projected at 7% for the current year, with the third quarter at 6.5% and the fourth quarter at 6%. Real GDP growth for next year, and we have provided the figures for the first three quarters of next year. So real GDP growth for the first quarter of 24-25 is projected at 6.7%, for Q2 at 6.5% and Q3 at 6.4%. The risks are evenly balanced.